Our top focus story continues to be the big controversy around Mulayam Singh Yadav's comments building a case for rapists. The Samajwadi Party chief said that boys will be boys, calling a heinous crime a mistake. While his comments have triggered out obviously a massive political war with politicians and activists slamming Mulayam for his controversial comment. But what's even more shocking at this stage is Akhilesh Yadav coming out in open defense, claiming that his father's remark has been taken out of context.
क्या रेप में फांसी दी जाएगी? 3 लड़के हैं, गलती हो जाती है तो 3 को भी फांसी दे दी बम्बई में.
With that, Mulayam Singh Yadav stooping to a whole new low. The Samajwadi Party chief building a case for rapists.
अब दोस्ती है लड़के लड़कियों, अब बाद में उनका मतभेद हो गया और मतभेद जब हो गया तो लड़की जाके बयान देती कि मेरे साथ रेप किया. क्या रेप में फांसी दी जाएगी? 3 लड़के हैं, गलती हो जाती है तो 3 को भी फांसी दे दी बम्बई में.
Expectedly, the absurd comment sparking outrage across the political fraternity.
There has to be a complaint to Election Commission, and there has to be, I think media also needs to pick it up, because I don't think any community will justify rape. In fact, that is what my problem with UP government is.
Definitely we condemn it. Because we have always said that we have zero tolerance for rape and for women atrocity.
And the anger not limited to political circles alone.
Even at that moment, Samajwadi Party kept insisting that they were not in favor of these changes, but the youth of the country had decided that they wanted to put an end to sexual violence, so the legislator was helpless. Clearly here, the youth and the women and the people of India are way ahead of so-called leaders like Mulayam Singh Yadav and Samajwadi Party.
महिलाओं की अस्मिता पर हमला करने वालों को बढ़ावा देने जैसा काम करने के लिए मुलायम सिंह यादव की जितनी भर्त्सना की जाए वो कम है.
But the Samajwadi Party choosing to stay in denial, defending its supremo's ridiculous comment.
He didn't mean that the rapists should be saved. What he meant was the innocent people should be saved, should be helped.
And shockingly, the so-called progressive chief minister of the state too, choosing to duck the question.
लेकिन किस तरीके से बयान आया है या किस रूप में कहा गया, ये अभी कह पाना मुश्किल है. क्योंकि पता नहीं क्या आप चलाने लगो, पता लगा हमारे खिलाफ कार्रवाई हो जाए.
Azam Khan's appalling statements, and now this comment by the SP chief backing rapists, all a desperate attempt to lure voters. The Samajwadi Party has clearly ensured that it steals the show when it comes to the lowest points of the 2014 poll campaign. Bureau Report, Times Now.